here couldn't believe I owned the boss. I'm the boss, man. He walked right past me because of my fucking black skin, man. My black skin. I couldn't be the owner. I couldn't be the owner of Quick Tip, man. I had to be the Spanish guy, man. The black guy couldn't. You see, he wants to apologize, but the black guy did it, man. The fucking black guy did it, man. The fucking black guy did it. He owns Quick Tip, man. The fucking black guy did it, man. I did it, man. Come on, I can help you, boss. I can help you. Go ahead, man. What you need me to help you with?
Okay, my question is,